Hey guys, Clean Slate here, and today I'm doing another review video, but this one's a little bit different. So, long story short, I bought a new phone case from Amazon. I bought the Otterbox Symmetry Plus blah 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 blah. But when I ordered it, I didn't get what I ordered. I got the sparkly version, even though that's not what I ordered. This is for the iPhone 13 and 14. But yeah, it's not what I ordered. And then also on top of that, it just feels different. I don't know how to describe it. It just feels different. But so I went to Best Buy and I bought the same case, except not sparkly, the version I was supposed to get. And it came in a completely different box. Same messaging, but completely different box. And it's my phone in it, but the case just feels different. The only way I can describe it, take this out. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it feels about the same. It says R yellowing. Okay. This is from Best Buy, and this is from Amazon. So I don't know if it is a official Otterbox product. Maybe some of you guys could let me know if you guys have bought anything directly from Otterbox, what case it came in. Because both of these guys have the sticker on it, because like my iPhone is the iPhone 13, so they all have these stickers on it that say it's compatible with the 13 and the 14, and that sticker seems to be the same. It's the boxes are two different, designs, and I'm trying to see if there's any difference in the logos or any dead giveaways. But yeah, from what I can tell, there's no real dead giveaways. Like if the logo was like misprinted or there was spelling mistakes or anything like that, I'd be able to like say, oh, this is a counterfeit. But I'm not really seeing anything like that. So I don't know if they just have different packaging for different markets, and then maybe this is meant for a different market, and then it ended up on Amazon Canada. But I bought this from Amazon Canada, by the way, and I bought this from a Best Buy in Canada. So yeah, I don't know. They both have this sticker on it where it says new sleek design. So yeah, I don't know what would have made them rebrand their box or make two different boxes for the same product. Unless the only thing I can think of is this is what the sparkly case comes in, and this is not what the sparkly case comes in. But when I was at Best Buy, they had the sparkly cases available in these as well. So that kind of actually ruins that theory. Yeah, so I don't know. Don't know why they're different, but yeah, I just wanted to make a little video about this because I thought it might be interesting to some of you. So let me know what your thoughts are, what your experiences are. If you like the video, please give me a like, comment below. If there's any thoughts you have about either, what I could be doing better or what you would like to see, also please give me some feedback. It will help me improve my channel and just help me get better. So thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.